Hello guys, I'm putting this tutorial video to show you how to embed your webcam into your MATLAB GUI, and this is on request by a user on MATLAB page of Facebook. So he posted a question of how to do this, so I'm here with the tutorial. So to begin with, download MATLAB image acquisition toolbox. uh, with the latest version of MATLAB you'll already have it, otherwise you need to download the toolbox from the MATLAB's website. Okay, to begin with, after you have make sure that since you're using a secondary cam, that is a USB cam as mentioned in the problem statement by the user. um After you plug the USB cam before you start MATLAB, once you've plugged that, go to the command window and type Mac2. So now you can see here you will have the whatever devices that are capable of taking an image will be shown in this window of the hardware browser, and I'm using a laptop, so I have an integrated web camera. There's an additional SoC PC camera, USB camera, that I have attached to my USB port. So like you can see, the default size here will be 352 by 288. Keep this in mind, you will require it later on. So just and yeah, of course, at the hardware specifications, this is the format of the video, that is win video, and this is the device ID. So if you have to place the preview of the integrated camera, in this case you would have to use the device ID 1, else you would use the device ID 2, else you would use a third source called device ID 3. So first of all, close this and open the guide. So take a blank GUI, take a UI panel, this is the UI panel, create a big box. I think that should fit 288 pixels easily. Take an axis, place it within the UI panel. Okay, now the tag name will be displayed here, that is axis 1. Save this, with some file name, say example1. No, I'm sorry about this. Save this within file name example1. Okay, this says it has some problems, so I'll store it in another folder, and this should do it. Yeah. Now to get this preview, make sure you type the following code in the opening function of the GUI. So after the handles.output equal to object, first call the axis that you require, handles dot the axis name. Our axis name was axis 1. Now VID should be video input. Now this is where you will use the parameters from the image toolbox, I mean from the toolbox that we had just earlier seen. So this is a type of the video, that is a win video, like I earlier showed you, and this is the device ID. So this is the adapter name basically, and this is the device ID. Close it, and now you have to set an image handle, image equal to, first we have to initiate a zeros of matrix of the same size that you required, and my size was, I told you, take a note of it, 352 comma 288. Now this size can be different for different cameras. It will show you in the Emac tool. Whenever you type the Emac tool and it opens the interface, you will easily have a look at the size and the specifications. Make sure the third dimension of the matrix is 3, because you are reading it in RGB mode, so it will have a 3 layer storage of data. comma. This is, since this is the main video that you will be embedding, you can have sub videos within this with a subcategory in place of parents, comma, the handle which you are using, handles dot access one. Next, this is a preview. Use the vid from where you're getting the video input, and h image. So yeah, I think that should be about it. Save it. I'll direct the camera to the screen. Hope this works. Yes, it does. You can see the camera is working. I'll show you my face, and that'll be the last thing you'll see. So this is how you embed your PC camera or USB camera into your GUI. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more.